Welcome back to the Fibula Flap tutorial. Today, we're starting mandible reconstruction planning with the fibula bone. Our first step is creating a centerline, a crucial part of the planning process. Begin by simplifying your workspace. Hide extra stuff in the Objects menu. Only keep the left and right fibula in Scene 2. This way, you'll have a clear, organized setup for focused planning without any unnecessary distractions. Simply navigate to the Fibula Flap Reconstruction tab from the left navigation bar to access the button for centerline creation and perform other planning operations. At this tab, you'll find the fibula side selection option for both the left and right sides, as well as the fibula segments option for 1, 2, and 3 segments. Decide the number of segments and the side of the fibula based on your preferences. This customization allows you to tailor the reconstruction plan according to your specific needs. Subsequently, click the Edit button next to either RT Fibula Centerline or Lieutenant Fibula Centerline, triggering a distinct light blue color transformation of the related fibula. This transformation ensures precise centerline point creation exclusively on the fibula. Begin by clicking on the fibula's surface, either at the proximal or distal side, initiating the first segment. Then, click on the opposite side to generate another point, prompting the system to automatically form the centerline between these 2 points. Afterward, manually adjust the centerline for a snug fit to the fibula, ensuring it passes accurately through its center. Use the intuitive transform control arrows for each point, moving them in the respective directions. To switch the transform control between points, click on the relevant one. This seamless process allows you to fine-tune the centerline, guaranteeing precise alignment with the fibula. As demonstrated in the video, the system will display error messages if you attempt to create a centerline on an inappropriate object, guiding you to create it on the highlighted fibula object. Similarly, click on the Edit button for the other side of the fibula to create a centerline if you intend to perform planning for both sides of the fibula. Utilize the relevant options to create the centerline, ensuring it accurately passes through the center of the fibula. This step is crucial for comprehensive planning on both sides of the fibula bone. After creating the centerline, if necessary, you can hide the respective centerline using the eye icon available for each individual centerline. This feature allows you to manage visibility and focus on specific aspects of your reconstruction planning as needed. Afterward, let's proceed to create planes on the mandible, indicating the positions of the fibula segments and mandible bone resection. Upon selecting the desired fibula segments, the system will present the option to create planes. Start by clicking the Edit button and then click on the mandible bone surface. The system will automatically generate a plane, and transform controls will be assigned to it. Use these controls to adjust the position of the plane according to your requirements. To modify the plane adjustment controls, you can use shortcut keys for quick changes. Press R for rotation, W for translation, and S for scale. Alternatively, utilize the Plane Adjust button located above the reconstruction for a convenient interface to refine and tailor the plane according to your specifications. In a similar way, create all the planes and fine-tune their positions using the transform controls. You can adjust any previously created plane's position by using the Edit button. Once you've carefully adjusted the positions of all planes, click on the Reconstruction button to proceed with the planning process. After clicking on the Reconstruction button, an information pop-up will appear, prompting you to verify the lateral surface on Scene 1. It is crucial to ensure that the lateral surface is uploaded into Scene 2. This enables users to view the lateral surface along with each segment after reconstruction, providing a comprehensive understanding of the segment positions in Scene 1. As a result of reconstruction, the system automatically performs the reconstruction based on the preferences selected in the Fibula Flap Reconstruction tab, as well as the manually created centerline and planes. Utilize the Plane Edit button to adjust the plane position and refine the segment positions accordingly. Employ various types of transform controls to precisely modify the plane position, and the system will automatically adjust the segments to the new plane position. Make use of the Object Hide, Show, and Transparency features to obtain the appropriate view for adjusting segment positions. These tools allow you to customize your visual perspective, ensuring a clear and focused view to precisely fine-tune segment positions according to your planning needs. In Scene 2, users can visually assess all 3 segments, represented with the same color scheme. This provides a clear indication of the segment's positions on the original fibula bone after reconstruction, enhancing understanding and planning precision. Carefully use the explained options, adjusting segment positions accordingly to achieve the desired outcome. This step allows for a tailored and accurate arrangement of segments based on your specific planning requirements. Subsequently, utilize the segment rotation button to refine the rotation positions of each individual segment. This feature aids in creating the lateral surface on the outer side of the mandible. Rotate each segment as needed to achieve the appropriate orientation and ensure a well-aligned reconstruction. Now, utilize the segment's margin option available under Scene 2 to precisely adjust the positions of the segments relative to each other. Start with Segment 1 margin to set the starting position for segment resection. Then, use Segment 1 and 2 margin to adjust the space between Segment 1 and 2. Similarly, employ Segment 2 and 3 margin to fine-tune the space between Segment 2 and 3. By carefully utilizing these options, finalize your planning for the reconstruction, ensuring accurate segment positions and optimal spacing between them. After confirming your planning, you are now ready to submit it for further review or save it for future reference. This marks the completion of the reconstruction planning process. Thank you for watching.